I'm having me a party.
I don't think I can come.
This ain't just any kind of party.
Nah, I think I'll stay at home.
Oh no, it's gonna be really, really hot.
Starting to sound good.
I'm gonna put you on the spot.
Baby, maybe I should.
There'll be lots of one-on-one.
Guess I could be there.
Come on and join the fun.
What should I wear?
I tell you that it doesn't matter what you wear, 'cause it's only gonna be you and me there.
I'm having a party for two. Inviting nobody but you.
You'll be sexy in your socks.
We can polish the floors.
In case anybody knocks.
Better lock all the doors.
Yeah, all the things I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna do with you.
I wanna try something new.
I wanna try that too.
I tell you that
It doesn't matter what I wear, 'cause it's only gonna be
you and me there.
I'm having a party for two, yeah. I'm inviting nobody but you, yeah.
Yeah, you.
I'm here,
You're there.
that's all it
Really need it.
we're gonna
Party hardy. Just you and me. Don't think about it now. Don't even doubt it now. I'm inviting you to a party for two. Shake it, shake it.
come on, baby.
All the things I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna do with you.
I wanna try something new.
I wanna try that too.
And tell you that it doesn't matter what you wear.
'Cause it's only gonna be
Only gonna be you and me.
oh yeah, a little bit of party, baby.
It's just me and you.
That's right.
I ain't inviting anybody.
Nobody, baby.
I'm having a party.
I'm having a party.
A party for two.
A party for two,
Ain't
yeah.
inviting nobody.
Inviting nobody.
Nobody but you.
Nobody but you, yeah.
Come on,
Come on, come on,
come on, come on, come on,
come on, yeah.
come on,
Quizás Alberto ha pescado algo. Vamos a comprobarlo. ¡Tarán, tan, tan, tan! ¡Tarán, tan! ¿No pesa? No hoy creemos que no hay nada. A ver, a ver. ¿Qué, Alberto?
¡Sigue pescado! Mira.
¿Dónde, dónde? Hostia, pero esto... A ver, a ver. Es una mierdecita muy pequeña. ¡Ah! ¡No, no, no! A ver, a ver. Vale, 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 vale. Mira. Vamos a ver si podemos salvarlo y tirarlo al mar otra vez.